These free websites can remove anything from your photos, create AI videos, send files instantly, and even edit your content in seconds. And the craziest part? Most people have no idea they exist. The internet is full of tools, but only a few are powerful enough to actually change how you work online. In this video, I'll show you 9 free websites that can save you time, boost your productivity, and make your content look more professional instantly. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last tool is one of the most useful websites every creator should know. Let's get started. Number 1. Filepuma. This website lets you discover and download different software in one place. It's useful when you're looking for tools without searching multiple websites. However, always be careful and scan any downloaded file for safety. Go to the website. Search for any software you need. Let me search for OBS Studio. Click on Download and explore download options carefully before installing. Number 2. Clipdrop. This is one of the most powerful AI tools for image editing. You can remove backgrounds, clean up unwanted objects, and even generate new visuals instantly. The results are fast and look professional. Visit the website. For example, let's remove the background of an image. Choose a tool like Background Remover. Click on it and upload your image. Click Remove Background and wait for it to process. Download your result. Number 3. Krea AI. Krea AI allows you to create stunning images and visuals using simple text prompts. It's perfect for creators who want high-quality designs without spending hours editing. The interface is smooth and beginner-friendly. Open the website. Sign up for free or sign in if you have an account already. Enter your prompt describing the image. Select Style. I select 9:16. This sign means generate. Click on it to generate the image. Finally, download or refine your image. There is free and paid plans. Number 4. Photojoiner. This tool helps you combine multiple images into a single layout. It's useful for creating collages, thumbnails, or social media posts quickly. The drag and drop system makes it very easy to use. Go to the website. Upload your images. Arrange them into your preferred layout. Hit on Save. Download the final image. Number 5. MP3 Cut. This is a simple online audio editor that allows you to trim and edit sound files in seconds. It's perfect for YouTubers and content creators who need quick audio adjustments. Upload your audio file. Select the part you want to keep. Click Cut and download your edited file. But before you download, you can adjust some settings. Watch out. Number 6. OnlineNotepad. A simple tool that lets you write notes instantly without logging in. It's perfect for quick ideas, drafts, or temporary writing tasks. Everything works directly in your browser. Open the website. I have opened it already. Start typing or pasting immediately. Save or copy your notes when done. Number 7. Whisk AI. Whisk AI helps automate creative and productivity tasks using artificial intelligence. It can assist with generating ideas, creating content, and simplifying workflows. Quick tutorial. Go to the website. Sign up with your Google account. Choose a feature or task. In this example, I want to generate image. I click text to image and enter my prompt. Choose ratio and click generate image. That is all. Number 8. TinyWow. TinyWow offers a collection of free tools including PDF editing, AI writing, and image tools. It's like having multiple tools in one website. Go to the website. Choose any tool you need. Upload your file or input. Download or generate your result instantly. Number 9. Remove.bg. This tool removes image backgrounds automatically in seconds. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for thumbnails and design work. Visit the website. Upload your image. Wait a few seconds. Download your background-free image. Remove.bg has both free and paid plans. You can also change the background to whatever background photo you like. Quick question, which of these tools are you already planning to use? Let me know in the comments. I actually read them. These tools are free, powerful, and can completely change how you work online. The right tools don't just save time, they improve your results. If you enjoy discovering hidden websites like this, subscribe because I share tools like this every week. And trust me, the next one is even crazier. Make sure you like and share the video. Thank you for watching.